My name is Sadan. Now I am going to discuss about the topic CR. CRO is nothing with cathode ray oscilloscopes. We all know the main principle of the CRO is to convert electrical signals into visual signals. See, this is the schematic diagram of the CRO, and in this we are having heater filament, cathode heating, and cylindrical anodes. And this whole system we call it as deflecting system, and this system has electron gun. This is fluorescent screen, and here we are using phosphorus metal. Now let me show you how it works. First we are connecting low attention battery to the cathode ray. It gets light heating, and this filament gets heated, and the electrons get slowly emitted from the cathode ray, and these electrons are uniformly distributed towards the anode. And this anode, we all know anode have the positive charge. These electrons get attracted by the anodes, and these anodes we are connecting to the high attention battery. It's nothing but high voltage. This high voltage helps to accelerate the electrons with high speed towards the fluorescent screen. See, this electron beam are striking on the screen, on the middle of the screen, but we don't want to strike the electron beams at the center of the fluorescent screen. That's why we are manipulating some process. It's nothing but deflecting system. See, these are the horizontal plates, and these are the vertical plates which are connected inside the cathode ray tube. And this horizontal plate helps to deflect the electrons towards the extreme left position. This is the positive charge, this is the negative charge. This negative charge helps to repulse the electrons towards the extreme right, and in the same way these vertical plates also here having positive charge, negative charge, here having positive charge. This positive charge also get repulsing the electrons towards the extreme right. In this way, by the deflecting system, we spread the electron beams over the screen, on the fluorescent screen. Here we are using usually phosphorus metal. This phosphorus metal has the characteristic, when the electron beam strikes the phosphorus metal, it gets illuminated. And here we are applying some certain voltage. We don't know how many voltage we are applying to this screen. And the electron beams, how they cover screen, let me show you. Initially our voltage will be 0 voltage. Suppose I am applying 2 voltage. See, here we are applying positive 2 voltage, is nothing but positive half cycle, and suddenly we brought back this voltage to negative voltage, minus 2 voltage. In this way we are suddenly brought back in the voltage from positive to negative. Means what happened means, this type of voltage helps to manipulate the electron beams toward the overall screen at a time. That is the main advantage of this sawtooth voltage. This type of voltage we call it as sawtooth voltage. This sawtooth voltage how works, I will show you. This is 0 voltage. Here we are seeing the sharp edges. These sharp edges will help the complete cycle, means both positive half cycle and negative half cycle is nothing but sine wave. And we are observe the shape looking like a sawtooth. That's why we are calling this type of voltage is called sawtooth voltage. This sawtooth voltage helps to cover the electron beams sweeping once the entire screen. Then get the one complete image. If you want to view a complete image, we have to circulate the complete sine wave. It's nothing but the sine wave helps to view the image very clarity, and we are fixing the certain voltage to the cathode oscilloscopes. Is nothing but 1 kilohertz volt, 1 kilohertz frequency, and volts is some 2 volts we are fixing. 1 kilohertz frequency will cover 1 millisecond. That is, in 1 millisecond completely one positive and negative half cycle will complete on the screen. Then only we will view the clear image. Suppose we are varying the some voltage, it's nothing but 1.6 voltage, 1.6 volts. 1.6 volts. This type of curve will form the 1.6 voltage. Means one positive half cycle is completed and one negative half cycle is completed, and the sum of the half positive cycle is completed. Means nothing but here up to here we will view the clear image, but here don't view the clear image. Sometimes we are observing the TV, the image gets alternating from up to down. That is the main reason for if the voltage is not correct to the CRO, this type of mistakes we are seeing in this TV. And these applications of CRO is mainly used in television, which receives the units of electron beams and to convert into visual signals, as well as in enemy detecting in aircraft by using the radar system. They are detecting the enemy's aircraft. Okay guys, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my website www.nra.com.